Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vikas Singh Thakur. In this video, we are going to do something crazy. Well, I just got Arduino UNO Q, which is this one. So the real reason why I brought Arduino UNO Q is for physical AI challenge from robo.in. And in that challenge, you need to work on some idea. It could be open source, it could be dedicated to certain categories like agriculture or smart health or something like that, or IoT based something, but it needed to be related to physical AI. So I got an idea and I thought let's participate. So I have registered for it, and that's why I bought this Arduino Uno Q. Well, the idea I cannot disclose it right now. I'm working on that exact idea. So let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside and let's test it out in our PC. So here we have our components, and let's open it up. So here you can see we got an Arduino Uno Q and multi-hub 8-in-1 USB Type-C connectors with an Ethernet support into it. And here we also got, I think, power supply. Yeah, as far as I recall, it is 65-watt Type C to Type C connector inside it. And here is our the coolest guy around. So this is Arduino Uno Q. You can see it looks really amazing. The packaging is great. I have opened the seal here, and here you just need to get inside. And once we take out all this here, let's see what we got here. And let's put all of this aside for a while. And here we got our Arduino Uno Q, and here inside this electrostatic protected package, and it is a single board computer, by the way, with this number of extra peripherals. I don't know what exactly are this. So it is mostly like an Arduino Uno, but it is here Type C, but we've also got a lot of power, lot of compute into it, and this LED arrays using which we can display certain signals or certain outputs instead of just blinking your LEDs in Arduino. So yeah, so these two are extra accessories. As I told you already, these are a complete kit. When you are ordering the Arduino Uno Q, then you may be getting this board only. You are not going to get all of these extra accessories. But I found that these are important to make the Arduino Uno Q working and functional. So here I am at my PC, and here is the Arduino Uno Q, and I'm using my Type C charging cable, or it is a data cable also. So I just need to connect it to the USB 3.0. Oh, look at this, very amazing animation here. I think it's starting up. So here I have connected my Arduino Uno Q with my PC, and you can see my computer had detected an USB board here, that is the PiCast Q, which is the name of my board right now. And here I have connected it through the USB hub that I got it from the overall kit with the Type C connector here. And let's get inside it, and once we hit enter, and we are right now inside our board, which we can see here. We can also create a new app. Here is some example that I have tried before, and here are some of the examples. So there are lots of examples right now here. So blink LED with a UI blink LED. So let's try one of it. So let's see the blink LED here, and here we can see all the app inside, the Python code inside, and this looks really great. So right now it is predefined to 1 second, and let's hit run here, which on the corner side. So if I start running it, so yes, it's running right now. You can see the LED is blinking right now. So we got a red LED this time, and it's blinking right now, and you can see it through the code. And in order to edit this code, we need to do one extra thing here, that is we need to copy this exact code here, and we need to edit that particular. So let's stop the blinking code here and let's try to edit it. So go to the copy and edit app. So let's create new app. So let's say copy of blink LED. Let it have a default one. So let's create one, and here we are. So inside this assets here, so all the different files are inside this. So if you want to go with the normal Arduino code, then you can go with this one. But if you want to go with uh, the Python part, I hope. So here is the main.py. So here we can edit the overall functionality. So let's say let's do a small modification. Let's make it 3. So once we made time.sleep 3, so it will add a delay of 3 seconds. So this is very basic. We just need to hit run button here, and it will start doing that. It have a delay of 3 seconds exactly. And right now we are running our own changed code, and this is really amazing. If you want to make some more cool project, let's go to example and let's see if there are some cool projects that we can try out right now. So there are object detection, I think I have saw, yeah. So object detection on a smartphone camera. So I think we are going to use our smartphone camera, and it will going to do the real-time inference in a web GUI as far as I can see here. So let's try it out and let's see what it is, and let's try it out. So I hit run button and let's see. So here we are right now. We can see the real-time inference here in our screen, and you can probably see it is detecting everything. So from TV, keyboard, yeah, I think whether it can detect a human or not, yeah, so it can detect a person in front of it. And yeah, the inference is pretty cool, and as compared to the size of the board, it is doing crazy amazing thing. And let's see what it can detect extra, plant or pot or something. Okay, so TV is one of the very common thing. Next one is the keyboard. So this is all about this video. The overall performance of the Arduino Uno Q is really great. There are certain the drawbacks of this is also there are like USB port, the port problem is also there. And as I could say, this is the first board from Arduino. So I could say in the future upcoming boards or the upgrades would be much better than this one. So we can hope a better upgrades in this. But overall performance compared to this, the form factor, just it also have the same size of that of Arduino Uno. So I could say overall form factor and performance is really great, and we can work we can use this in a lot of our project like AI or physical AI kind of thing. So I can see a lot of application of this board which I am already implementing for the, as I have already told you, the main reason I brought this board is for the physical AI challenge from robo.in. So I will be using this board for that challenge, and I will be building something really cool, and I will try to show you that exactly what I am building. So this is all about this video. I am Vikas. I love robotics. See you next time. Till then, bye.